Hello, welcome to datascriptfire.com. I'm going to show you demo of Google Map Business Data Scraper with emails. From this tool, you can scrape business details from Google Map. You can scrape all business details like business name, phone number, email address, business websites, address, latitude, longitude, rating, review, category, image, working hours, and also social media, Facebooks, emails, Instagrams, LinkedIn's, and Twitters. So you can scrape all business details with email address from Google Map using this tool. Okay, you can check this tool. Click on try free button. You need to log in to datascriptify.com. If you don't have login, then you can create your account, register, click on register now button, fill all your details, click on sign up button. After registration, you can go to sign in and log in to datascriptify.com. Okay, after login, you see Google Map Business Data Scraper with emails here. Here you write here any campaign name like campaign one and keywords. You can enter any keywords like you want to search any marketing agency or any hotels in near location. You can enter your location, India. You want to scrape email also, then you enable this. Otherwise, you can. Okay, I tick this fetch email server. After filling all the details, click on submit button. Okay, so now tool will start searching on Google Map all business details with your keywords. Hotel. Okay, you see details. Tool will be go to every listings and search on their particular websites for scrape email. So it will little bit take time for scrape emails because Google Map not provide email address. So we are trying to fetch emails from their specific website address. Okay, so where so you see here email address is also display. So you get details like business name, phone number, emails, website, address, latitude, longitude, many more details from you. You can scrape latitude, longitude, rating, review, category, images, working hours, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitters. Okay, so all the details you see here display. You can export data, CSV and Excel. Okay. Thank you very much for watching demo of Google Map Business Scraper on datascriptify.com. Please sign up now datascriptify.com. Thank you very much.